Good morning, students. Today I am going to start your new chapter number 4, that is heat. Students, we have some knowledge about heat. Now, through this chapter we will get more about heat. Number first point, we feel cold during winter and wear woolen clothes. As well as in summer, wear light cotton clothes to protect us from extreme cold or scorching heat of sun, because at that time our environment feels us coldness or hotness. Now, question is arise here that how do we know whether an object is hot or cold, and how do we feel hotness or coldness in our surroundings? So, to get more knowledge on that topic, we have to perform following activity. Here we have taken 3 equal size tub or vessels. First vessel contains only cold water, second vessel contains hot water, and third vessel contains equal amount of cold and hot water in it. Now what we have to do, in cold water vessel we have to dip our left hand, and in hot water vessel, that means this water is not too much hotness, only have some hotness that fills us hotness only, not hurt our hands. Right hand to be dipped under hot water, and after 2 to 3 minutes both hands are to be dipped in mixture of cold plus hot water. Now question arises here, do both the hands get the same feeling? Children, what do you think about that? In my opinion, yes, both the hands get the same feeling, because there is nothing coldness or hotness. Both the temperature are being neutralized by each other. Next, fourth point, a reliable measure of an object is its temperature, and it is measured by a device called thermometer. That means thermometer is a device. Everyone knows about thermometer. It is a reliable measure of an object. किसी ऑब्जेक्ट में उसकी टेम्परेचर क्या है, that has to be measured by a device that is called thermometer. Now, as we know about clinical thermometer that we have almost seen in our house as well as in clinical dispensary, this thermometer is actually a glass tube. Here the clinical thermometer has been drawn. Its one end that contains some dark color liquid. This portion is known as bulb. If you see carefully, there you will find some bend. This bend is actually known as kink, and inside that, where we get the temperature of the object through this thread. This thread is actually path for mercury. Mercury is a metal. Dear student, mercury is a metal. Normally, as per our knowledge, all metals that you have seen is in solid form, but this mercury is also metal, but in normal temperature it found in liquid state. So this mercury are to be stored under this bulb. When it get temperature, this will now be expand through this tube, which shows temperature of that object, and this whole tubical structure get calibrated or have some scale. Now the thermometer that measures our body temperature is called a clinical thermometer. Okay. Now, number B point. Since it consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube and a bulb at one end which contains mercury. See, here is the narrow end which contains mercury, and this whole tube is long, narrow and made up of uniform glass. Now, outside the bulb, a small shining thread of mercury can be seen. When we hold it properly and rotate in between our fingers, there we find some shining thread of mercury. Now, the scale used in the clinical thermometer is Celsius scale. Students, don't be confused. Temperature of human being can be measured in degree Celsius as well as in degree Fahrenheit, because in your book there is given Celsius scale here, so that I've told you about Celsius scale. Now, which is indicated by degree Celsius. It reads temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Now, this topic is belong to structure of this clinical thermometer. Now, what are the precautions? हमको क्या सावधानी लेनी पड़ेगी जब हम लोग क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर को हैंडल करते हैं? सी यहाँ पे फिगर में आप देख रहे हैं कि जो फिंगर टिप्स है, हमारा जो 4 फिंगर है और थंब है, उसके बीच में हमने किसको होल्ड किया हुआ है? बल्ब को नहीं, अदर एंड ऑफ थर्मोमीटर को यूज़ किया हुआ. तो इट शुड बी वॉश्ड बिफोर एंड आफ्टर यूज़ विथ एन एंटीसेप्टिक सॉल्यूशन. घर पे भी अगर आप यूज़ करते हो, देन यू ऑल्सो गेट वॉश्ड इट बिफोर यूज़ और आफ्टर यूज़ विथ एन एंटीसेप्टिक सॉल्यूशन. Now ensure that before use the mercury level is below 35 degree Celsius. अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? जैसे हमने इसको यहाँ पे होल्ड किया हुआ है, उसको होल्ड करके हम क्या करेंगे? वी हैव टू, जैसा ऐसा पकड़ा हुआ है, ऐसा पकड़ते हुए इसको हल्का सा ऐसा जर्क करेंगे. दैट विल अनेबल मर्क्यूरी टू गेट बैक इन इट्स ओरिजिनल पोजिशन. मीन्स इफ उसका अगर टेम्परेचर इसमें राइज है, सो दैट इट फॉल after 35 below 35 degrees Celsius. Now ensure that before use the mercury level is below 35 degrees Celsius. जैसा मैंने आपको कहा था कि उसको होल्ड नहीं करना है, किससे? बल्ब से होल्ड नहीं करना है. ये बल्ब जो है दैट इज ओनली गेट टच्ड विद द ऑब्जेक्ट दैट हैज़ टू बी मेजर, जिसका टेम्परेचर हमको मेजर करना है.